How's it going, guys? It's that time of the year where we're starting to pull out our snow blowers and make sure they're going to run and everything for this upcoming winter season. All right, still have some gas from last year. It's awesome. Oil's okay. Alright guys, if you find yourself in the same situation as me and she just won't fire up after being stored for the summer, before you throw her to the curb, I've got a video for you. This upcoming Friday I'm going to post a video of my top 5 reasons why your snowblower won't start after summer storage.